I have always felt that art plays an important role in all sort of political, economical, social, and cultural changes, whatever we see. And since when we talk about climate crisis, and especially climate crisis or climate injustices in India, most of the climate injustices happens to the people from marginalized communities because they are the one who are living in those vulnerable areas where there is even a minor change can lead to somebody's losing life, somebody losing their household and everything. I, as an artist, so the biggest boon or bane of an artist is to feel, to be able to imagine, and to somehow experience a little bit of feelings of what others are feeling. And uh, an artist who is not able to express that those feelings will, according to me, will blast. So it is to save yourself also, is to reflect upon what you are seeing, what you are observing, what you are grasping. And you know that the stories that we are talking about are your family members, are the people who are your people, who eat the similar sort of food, who think in a similar way, who goes through the similar sort of oppression. And I also believe that since I was able to get education in in the best institutes of the country, of the world, it is my duty to use this privilege of knowledge and use it, for the benefit of my own people. So different people have different role in societies. I think as an artist, it is best to, if we are storytellers, let's be the storytellers, let's be the honest storytellers of our communities, of our own selves. If we are visual artists, let's show the visuals which are the real, let's be honest about whatever occupation we are in. And being an economist role can be very very important for a community's upliftment. And similarly, since the time of caves, when human beings used to live inside caves, they have drawn. So from there to now, we have seen a lot of change in mediums, change in technology, but in the end, it is a human nature to express. And I think as an artist, it becomes our responsibility to express it with that honesty. I think through this work also, we have tried to express with the sort of honesty that we could gather, in us. And I hope that I will be able to filter this honesty more. I would, because honesty is also not just the financial honesty, or honesty with people, but it is also an honesty with the community, with the environment that we are living in, the honesty with the flora and fauna that we generally overlook while we are living, because without these things we do not exist. Just like without our parents, without our families, we cannot exist. They are also the part of the family. So if we are able to consider these things as our own family, as a part of our own self, I think we will be able to be more expressive. And I would always ask people to, especially who are artists, to not be not just be generous about the thought, but be a good observer about what is going around you. And I'm sure when people will start to just observe, they will be able to reflect, because an artist only observes and reflects. That is the job of an artist. And if we are observing it, we will be able to reflect upon it. And I, as an artist, would want more artists to just observe, and it will naturally come out as a.
Amazing. Thank you. And can you tell us just quickly how did this conceptualizing of this come through?
So for this VR installation, Greenpeace had already made a video, a 360-degree video. And when we saw the video, there were a lot of, and we saw the video again and again and again, because I have been to Sunderbans, and also connecting with the idea of the people who are living inside. I've been to Sunderbans before, but I never saw it with through somebody else's eye. So with this, I had to do a lot of research about how things are, how the people are, and this is, and we sort of wanted to bring an object which can actually take you to a glimpse of Sunderbans. So we cannot, if we cannot bring the people from there, we can bring certain objects which one can relate to, and
Yeah.
maybe this is also one way of making people observe so that they can reflect upon it further.
Yeah.